Mimo, did you have fun over there?
I am so glad to be staying here.
Mimo, do you enjoy attacking paper towels? I know it's what I do best. Mimo, what is that? That's what you did for? Can I get him? Get him again? No? Maybe? Mimo. You gonna start with a new one? Holy crap. Mimo, you're a monster. Big orange monster. Who cleans himself. Very, would y'all look at that? What do you see? What is it, memes? You see something. Mimo. Mimo. What do you see, kitty? You see something? Mimo. Hello. Yes. Good God, this is what you did, Mimo? Looking for this? Looking for, oh, I see. Looking for this? Ah, ha, ha. You gonna attack it? Must attack it. Does that taste good, Mimo? What the hell? Damn, Mimo, you're a beast. Holy shit! Look at him, he's a monster. You gonna attack this now too? Must attack paper towels. What is he doing? Mimo, you gonna get whatever's in there? Mimo, you're crazy. Mimo, you're exploiting the cat. This is what he'll do to you if you step inside our house. He thinks there's something in there. Yeah, let's see. Ready? Look at him. Ready? See his Mimo. See if we can zoom in. Mimo. Memes. What's that about? You gonna attack it some more? Right, I must attack it. I must attack it. Mimo, you are something else, cat. You know that? Right now, I'm cute. Alright, I gotta go. Goodbye. He's a maniac. Say bye, memes. Ryan, goodbye.
Rick?
You should see what he... Mom.